So, good morning to all of you. Welcome to your science class. And today, first of all, we are going to do an activity class. And what is this activity? Today's activity is I will tell you one story. Will you like to listen one story? Yes or no? Yes or no? Come on, raise your hand if you are agree with me. Who wants to listen story? Okay. Okay, very good. Shushoban is showing me finger. Yes, ma'am. And anyone? Okay. Yes, I can see Ayushman raising his hand. Very nice, Ayushman. So sweet. And Inakshi also. Yes. Afreen also. Very nice. So, okay. So, rest of the students whose cameras are not turned on, they have written in the chat box. Okay. So, very good. So, shall I start the story? Okay. So, here I am going to tell you one story regarding two boys. Okay. One boy, his name was Rahul, and Rahul used to stay in India with his father and mother. That means his parents and grandparents. So Rahul was living in a joint family. Okay. Actually he was living in a joint family with his younger uncle, auntie also. But one of his uncle was settled down in London. Okay. So he was having a cousin. His name was Jack. And Jack used to stay in London with his parents. And during this puja vacation, what happened? Jack came to India with his parents. Yes. By plane. Yes. So he came from London to India. And Rahul was very happy. He went to receive Jack and uncle auntie to airport. And from airport they directly came to their house. And Rahul's house was just beside Hooghly river. Yes, that is river Ganga. Yes. So their house was just beside river Ganga. They were having a beautiful bungalow. And as all the family members are now together, so they are going to enjoy their Durga Puja very nicely. But as Jack and his parents were coming from foreign country, they have to maintain some protocols, right? So they have to be quarantined for 14 days. After 14 days, they will come out and they will, if everything is fine, then they will enjoy with the family. So they came before, they took some time and they came before puja vacations. For 14 days they were in quarantine, and then after Jack and Rahul got the opportunity to talk with each other, to play with each other, and to do lots of fun with each other. So now everything was fine. Jack was also over here for last 15-16 days. So now when the Durga Puja festive season started, Jack was very curious to see Kolkata. Okay. So first of all, Rahul told, I cannot take you to Kolkata city because now it is a corona time. So let us go on the terrace. I can take you to my terrace, and from there you will get a beautiful view. So Jack was very curious. Wow, কি মজা, ছাতে গেলে এমন কি দেখতে পাবো, what I can see on the terrace, that it becomes so beautiful. So what happened? Rahul and Jack, both of them went to terrace, and over the terrace. When Jack went there, Rahul just told him to see river. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, it was a clear view of a river, and that was river Ganga. Now Rahul told, do you know, this is the longest river of India. River Ganga is the longest river of India. So Jack was asking, how can you say it is the longest river? So from where it is starting? So Rahul told that our grandfather told us that the origin of river Ganga is from western Himalayas. From western Himalayas. So these are the Himalayas, and here there is a place which is known as Gomukh. Okay, because the structure is just like the mouth of a cow. Gau means cow and mukh means mouth. Okay, so it is just like the mouth of a cow. So it is known as Gomukh. And that Gomukh is there, and from there the water comes out. Okay, so the origin is Gomukh. Now, but this river, this water is not in a liquid form. It is in a ice form, which is known as glacier. Okay, so it's Gangotri. This ice is known as Gangotri. Okay, Gangotri glaciers. Glaciers means ice. একদম জলটা বরফ হয়ে থাকে হিমালয়াতে, আর সেই বরফটাকে বলা হয় গঙ্গোত্রী। আর যখন গরম পড়ে, when it is summer season, this ice melts. বরফটা গলে যায়, আস্তে আস্তে গলে। আইস যেরকম ফ্রিজ থেকে আমরা বরফ বার করলে কি হয়, what it becomes from solid form to liquid form, তাই তো? এটা বেশ স্টোনের মতন শক্ত বরফটা কি হয়ে যায়, জল হয়ে যায়। ওই রকমই এখানে যে গঙ্গোত্রী, যেটা বড় বড় বরফ, সেটা সান রেজের জন্যে ডিউ টু হিট অফ দ্য সান in during the summer season, it melts, gole jay, and then it comes in a river stream form. It comes in a river stream form, which is known as Bhagirathi. Okay, so this Bhagirathi, ekhane tar naam hoye jay Bhagirathi, and after Bhagirathi joins the river Alaknanda, its official name becomes river Ganga. Okay, তাহলে দেখো হিমালয়া থেকে গোমুখ থেকে গঙ্গোত্রী, গঙ্গোত্রী থেকে ভাগীরথী, আর ভাগীরথী থেকে at last it becomes river Ganga, যেটা আমরা দেখতে পাই আমাদের গঙ্গা নদী, right? Yes, so this river Ganga flows so nicely from many states of India, and in West Bengal we can see it at Hooghly, যেটাকে আমরা হুগলি নদীও বলি। Okay, that is river Ganga. Now Rahul described Jack. রাহুল জ্যাককে বলল, তুমি জানো এটা কি দারুণ একটা পবিত্র নদী। Okay, we are having lots of sacred thoughts regarding this river. It's a holy river. We all Indian believe that it's a holy river, and we are having lots of rituals with this river water. So Jack was very much surprised. Jack তো এগুলো কোনোদিন শোনেইনি। তো জ্যাক ভাবছি গঙ্গা জল অ্যান্ড রিভার ওয়াটার ইজ সো গ্রেট, ওটা এমন কি ইম্পর্টেন্স রিভার গঙ্গা, তার আবার গঙ্গা জলের আবার এত কি ইম্পর্টেন্স। সো দে he was very much surprised. Now Rahul, he asked Rahul how it is important. Can you tell me how it is important? It's just a river and it's the river water. So how it is important? So Rahul told, our grandfather told me, আমার দাদু আমাকে বলেছি, many mythological stories are related with river Ganga. আমাদের পুরাণ এইসবে গ্রন্থে রিভার গঙ্গা নিয়ে অনেক গল্প আছে, তো সেই জন্যেও অনেকটা আমরা রিভার গঙ্গাকে মা বলে ডাকি, মা গঙ্গা। ওকে, সো ইট ইজ টোল্ড মাদার গঙ্গা, গঙ্গোত্রী। ওকে, নাও the fact is that Rahul was just telling all the nice things about river Ganga, that water, as you know, the main source of water, which is the main source of water beta, which is the main source of water, in preparatory also we have learned, the main source of water is, yes, rain. So yes, am I right? Rain is the main source of water. Yes, Trishita, very good. So Trishita has given the answer. Yes, Nandini also. So rain is the main source of water. Yes. Now when it is raining, Ganga river also floods, right? It's having lots of water. Now there is a very nice flow of river. Now over there, Rahul is telling Jack, you know, in our many rituals we use Ganga water, so we consider it as very much holy and sacred. আমরা পুজোতে গঙ্গা জল ইউজ করি, আমরা নিজেদের যে কোনো রিচুয়ালসে উইদাউট গঙ্গা ওয়াটার ইট ইজ নট ডান। We start with Ganga water and we end with Ganga water. So now it is not only the Ganga but the rivers of our country. Each and every river of our country is most important treasure of our country. They are the treasures of our country, and we treat each and every river of our country as holy rivers, right? Even in Punjab we are having many rivers and it is known as the state of rivers, right? Punjab is known as the state of rivers. There are many rivers. So in our country overall we are having many rivers, but Ganga river is most important because it is the longest river and most important stream of rivers. Now the important thing is that then Jack asked Rahul, wow, এটা এত ভালো, গঙ্গা রিভারটার জল এত পবিত্র, এত ভালো, আমরা এটা দিয়ে পুজো করতে পারি, তাহলে আমরা এটা খেতেও পারি, রাইট? ওয়াও, আমরা কি গঙ্গা রিভারের জলটা খেতে পারি? ক্যান উই ড্রিঙ্ক গঙ্গা ওয়াটার? ক্যান উই ড্রিঙ্ক গঙ্গা ওয়াটার? Nandini is answering me, Arju is answering me, Shatuki is answering me, Inakshi has answered me, Afreen has answered me, Ayushman has answered me, Trishita has answered me. The only student who has answered me yes is Trishita. Shamrik has also answered me, and everyone has said no ma'am, right? Now Orgho and Trishita, Orgho obviously purified water we should drink, and Trishita, I think we need to know that in present situation we cannot drink Ganga water beta. Why we cannot drink Ganga water? So many answers I have received no. Why we cannot drink Ganga water? Can anyone answer me? Why we cannot drink Ganga water? Everyone has answered no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am, after purification we can drink. So why Ganga water if we are using for rituals, if we are using for puja, if we are using it to purify our house, if we are using it to purify our bodies, then why we cannot drink it and purify our body? Because we human beings has made it dirty. Because we are the people, we human beings are the selfish human beings, selfish creature who has made these rivers, not only Ganga, each and every water body, each and every river, we have made it dirty. So whose responsibility is to clean them? Yes, of course. If I have done any mistake, then who should say sorry? I should say sorry, na? If we have done any mistake, then we should say sorry. We should feel guilty for it. That yes, we have not done the work. I have not done the work. I am sorry for this. So in the same way, we in past has made some mistakes. What type of mistakes we have done? Now Jack observed the river bank very nicely, and Jack asked some questions to Rahul. Jack asked Rahul, okay Rahul, you are telling this is a very holy river and we consider it as mother, amra Ganga ma boli. Tale why we people are throwing all the waste in Ganga river? মানে আমরা যাকে মা বলছি আমরা তার গায়ে নোংরা ফেলে দিচ্ছি, আমরা তার মধ্যেই পুজো করা ফুল ফেলে দিচ্ছি। কেন না, ওটা পুজো করা ফুল, ওইটা ঠাকুরের চরণে ছিল, ওইটা দিয়ে আমরা ওয়ার্শিপ করেছি, উই হ্যাভ ওয়ার্শিপড আওয়ার আইডলস উইথ দোজ ফ্লাওয়ার্স, সো দ্যাট শুড বি থ্রোন ইন গঙ্গা ওয়াটার। Why it should be thrown in Ganga water? Why can't we dig a small pit and just keep those flowers in that pit and cover the soil? আমরা কেন একটা গর্ত করে, ছোট মাটির গর্ত করে ওর মধ্যে ফুলগুলো দিয়ে আবার মাটি চাপা দিয়ে দিতে পারি না? তাহলে তো ওটা ম্যানিওর হয়ে যাবে, রাইট না? ওটা খাদ হয়ে যাবে, আবার পরে আমরা ওটা গাছের কাজে লাগাতে পারবো। বাট ইটস নট দ্য বিলিভ that because I have worshipped with these flowers, it has to be thrown in Ganga water. It's the our easy task. আমাদের জন্য এটা খুব সহজ, প্যাকেটে করে ফুলটা গোটানো আর জলে নিয়ে গিয়ে, then after it has been cleaned from my house, আমার বাড়ি থেকে পরিষ্কার হয়ে গেছে। অতএব নদীতে কি হয়েছে দেখার দরকার নেই, নদীটা থোড়ি আমার বাড়ির মধ্যে। তাহলে আমাদের বাড়িটা কোথায়? দেশের মধ্যে। আমরা কোথায় থাকি? দেশের মধ্যে। তাহলে নদীটা কোথায়? দেশের মধ্যে। তাহলে আলটিমেটলি আমার ঘরের ময়লাটা আমি কোথায় গিয়ে ফেললাম? আমার ঘরেই তো ফেললাম। Is it a cleanliness? No, it is not cleanliness. আমি আমার ঘরের ময়লাটা দরজার বাইরে বার করে দিলে কি ক্লিনিনেস হয়? হয় না তো। আমাদের ময়লাটা আমাদের সারাউন্ডিংস থেকেও আমাদের ক্লিন করতে হবে। উই হ্যাভ টু ক্লিন আওয়ার সারাউন্ডিংস অলসো। দ্যাট মিনস আমাদের ঘরটাকেও ক্লিন করতে হবে, আমাদের দেশটাকেও ক্লিন করতে হবে, আমাদের দেশের অ্যাসেটসগুলোকেও ক্লিন করতে হবে। গার্ডেন, রিভার, রাইট, এভরিথিং, each and every corner of our country should be clean. And for that what we have to do? We have to change some bad habits. We have to change some bad rituals, beliefs. We have to change those things. So if grandfather, grandmother is telling that this has to be thrown in river Ganga, you just ask them why we will throw in the river. Why will make the river dirty? আমরা কেন নদীটাকে নোংরা করব? আমরা তার থেকে এটাকে রিইউজ করি। Let us make a new trend. আরেকটা নতুন নিয়ম করি। এই যে জলে ফেলার নিয়মটা কেউ বানিয়েছিল, তাহলে এই নিয়মটাকে চেঞ্জ করি। চেঞ্জ করে আমরা এই ফুলগুলোকে জলে না ফেলে আমরা যদি মাটির নিচে পুঁতে দিই, একটা ছোট্ট গর্ত করে ফুলগুলোকে ওর মধ্যে দিয়ে আমরা কভার আপ করে দিলাম, অ্যান্ড আফটার 1 month তুমি দেখবে ফুলগুলো সব মাটি হয়ে গেছে, আবার ওগুলো রিইউজ হচ্ছে। তাতে কি হলো? ইউ আর গেটিং আ নিউ থিং, দ্যাট ইজ ম্যানিওর, অ্যান্ড দ্য সেকেন্ড থিং, রিভার ইজ ক্লিন। আমরা সবাই যদি এটা করি তাহলে আমাদের গঙ্গা রিভার কত ক্লিন হয়ে যাবে। দেন আফটার Jack saw some factories were constructed at the bank of the river Ganga, and they were throwing all their waste in the river. Why? All the chemical wastes were just poured in the river, and that was I hope Inakshi, please get up and sit properly. Okay, so now that was the second thing, that is polluting river. Lots of chemicals, lots of bad things, everything was being drained out in the river Ganga. So plastic waste, whatever the plastic waste, thermocol, plastic cups, চিপস র্যাপার্স, চকলেট র্যাপার্স, পার্কে ঘুরতে গেছি, ওয়াটার পার্কে ঘুরতে গেছি, বাস খেলাম। বাট উই ওয়ন্ট হ্যাভ ডান ইট, আমরা ওটা করতাম না যদি ওটার ওপর আমাদেরকে কেউ ফাইন করতো। যদি আমরা কোনো ফরেন কান্ট্রিতে চলে যাই, ইফ উই আর গোয়িং টু এনি ফরেন কান্ট্রি অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ বিন রিস্ট্রিক্টেড ওভার দেয়ার, দেন উই উইল নট থ্রো ইট anywhere. We will then find for a dustbin. এখানে কোথায় ডাস্টবিন আছে মা? এখানে কোথায় ডাস্টবিন আছে মা? নালে তো আবার বাবাকে ফাইন করবে, এখানে তো ফেলা যাবে না। বিকজ we have to maintain discipline over there. Then why not we are getting self-disciplined? Why not we are throwing our garbages in the dustbin? Because we are not fined over here. We have to be self-disciplined. We have to be well-mannered. We have to make a habit that I will not throw any waste without dustbin. I will not do any street, any river, any park, any garden, I will not make it dirty. Okay? So Rahul was very much confused that what he will answer to Jack. Jack is asking that you told that this river is so holy. You told this river is considered as the mother. You told this river is the longest river of the country. You told this river is having lots of mythological stories and importance. Then why it is so dirty? So students, we all have to answer Jack that no, Indian rivers are not dirty, they are also clean. We will make it clean like any of the river in this world. Our rivers will also make clean. And how it will become clean? With some initiatives, with some small habits, good habits. Okay? We have to build up some good habits. And which are these habits? These habits are to build up the good habit of throwing garbages in the dustbin, changing some old beliefs and rituals, okay, which will not affect our environment. So it's our duty to keep our environment clean. It's our duty to keep our environment clean. So all of us, let us take a oath. Everyone, come on, put your hands in front. Come on, come on, come on. Everyone. Chalo, let us take a oath. Yes, everyone. Just stand like a pledge, in the form of pledge. Yes. So everyone, repeat after me. I will keep my environment clean. Yes, come on. I will keep my environment clean. I will not make my environment dirty. Yes, I will take the responsibility of cleaning my rivers, yes, lakes, and our environment. Very good. So, we all will together answer Jack that we will clean our country together, unitedly, okay, with our good habits, and some of us we have to repair our habits. Okay, so students, take care of yourself. I hope you have learned some good habits from this story, and what I wanted to tell you, that we have to take the responsibility to clean our environment. So I conclude my class over here. I will be back again with your next class next week. Bye bye. So nice of all of you. Welcome.